Okay, I'm going to share a few do's and don'ts with you of the BronzedBerry self-tanning system at home, because I want you to learn from my mistakes and not end up with the issues I had to begin with not enough colour payoff and some little droplets. So these are the do's and don'ts so you get the perfect tan the first time around. First step, give it a good shake to make sure it's mixed really well. I just have water in here today so I can demonstrate without worrying about putting blotches everywhere whilst I do this. So one of the things I learned was I'm used to spray tanning with spray tanning machines kind of a good 6 inches away. With this, you want to be 2 to 3 inches really close, and you want to make sure you're wet. So make sure you give yourself full coverage, otherwise you'll have no payoff like I did the first time. On buttons there, so you're just going to turn it on, and you want to do each area pretty close until it's nice and wet. Tip number 4 is you want to keep it upright the whole time, don't tilt the bottle. Tip number 5, grab this bad boy that it comes with, and after about 2 to 3 minutes you're just going to smooth everything in. There's no colour guide, it's clear, you don't need to rinse it off, it doesn't smell, and you're just going to smooth it all out to make sure you have a streak-free tan. That's it, it's that simple. If you have any questions about how to use it, drop it in the comments below.